further, in some situations, okay, in some situations, mostly in cyclic compounds, you have given, suppose, only configuration at one carbon. That means configuration is mentioned only over one carbon. That's group present over that carbon is above or below. It is given only on the one group. Suppose, for example, like you have this kind of situation. Suppose you have this kind of situation, and say here you have Br. Now configuration of this carbon and this OH group is mentioned, and it has been seen, it can be seen over here, it is present below the plane. Now which group is above the plane? It is not shown over here. So how you will assign configuration in this case when group either above or below is shown only one? So what you will do in these cases? Or suppose you have like this. Now what is the configuration over this carbon? Now what is fourth group? Fourth group which is attached over this carbon is
hydrogen.
hydrogen. It gets understood, it is hydrogen. So what you will do? You will take hydrogen above the plane, you will take hydrogen below the plane, or you will take these bonds above the plane or below the plane. What you will do? Now in these kind of cases, when configuration or position of only one group is shown, and it's mostly in case of cyclic compounds, you have to follow other formula. And what's that formula? It is, you have to remember this sequence: priority of a group which is either above or below the plane. So this priority is for a group which is either above or below the plane in the structure. Okay? And you have assigned priority according to CIP rules. So priority may be 1, 2, 3 and 4. A priority किस group दी है? जिस group की configuration shown कितनी हुई है. That means that group is either above or below. उसका sequence है. If it is above the plane, then plus, minus, plus, minus. If it is below the plane, minus, plus, minus, plus. Now here plus means you have to write same configuration whatever coming, and minus means you have to write opposite configuration whatever is coming when we move from the sequence 1, 2 to 3. So if it comes plus, that means you have to write same, if clockwise R, anti-clockwise S, and if it is coming minus, you have to write down opposite, that means clockwise S and anti-clockwise R. So let us see in this case. Okay, in this case. So here you have the structure, and here you have bromine, and fourth group is hydrogen. So which group will get number one priority? Fourth is hydrogen. Number one priority?
OH group.
OH group. Okay, this is your chiral carbon here. Okay, and four groups are attached, and this is oxygen, and oxygen has a higher atomic number, so it will get first priority. Second priority will be given to which side? This carbon.
सीधे BR लग गया होगा वाला
साइड
BR लग गया है. Why so? Because this is CH2, CH2. They are same. So we have to compare next atoms. Next atom here is carbon, carbon, and for the next atom, 2 hydrogen, and here you have a 1 bromine and 1 hydrogen. So this will get higher priority. And third will be of course this one, and fourth will be this one. So when you look from 1, 2 to 3, it is moving as what? Clockwise. Clockwise move कर रहे हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
You will look over
Yes,
this
sir.
table. So the group whose priority is provided, whose configuration is provided, it is getting which number?
First.
First.
OH ਦੀ configuration ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ above ਹੈ ਜਾਂ below ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਨੰਬਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ? First.
First.
It is below the plane. That means we have to look over here. And corresponding to 1 below the plane, sign is minus. That means you have to write down same or opposite.
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 So the configuration of this carbon will be R or S?
S.
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 Sir, S.
Because
S.
it is clockwise and you have to write down opposite, so it will be S. And what will be here?
Is the R रहेगी?
R ही रहेगी इसमें.
Why it will be R? Because again 1, 2, 3 and 4. But again it's moving in a clockwise direction. Okay? And the group whose configuration is provided is getting number 1 and it is above the plane. So the sign corresponding above the plane is plus. That means you have to write down the same configuration. So it is R. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's move towards the further examples. Now, suppose you have this molecule and you have to assign configuration over this chiral carbon. So what will be configuration over this chiral carbon? It will be R or S?
Sir, S.
हाँ जी, remaining students बोलो R.
S, sir.
S.
Okay, so which group will get first priority according to CIP rules?
तो जहाँ पे OH लगा हुआ है.
OH लगे हुए हैं, sir.
This carbon. Why? Because you have a carbon, carbon, carbon. There is a tie. So you have to look over next atom. Here next atom is hydrogen and oxygen. Here 2 hydrogen, here 3 hydrogen. So next priority will be, first priority will be this one. Second priority, number 2, it will be
Left वाला. Left side,
Yes,
sir.
The left wala.
left wala CH2. Why? You have a 2 hydrogen and 1 carbon. Here you have a all 3 hydrogen. So this is number 2, number 3, number 4. So when you go from 1, 2 to 3, which sequence is appearing?
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
R.
And now you have to look over table. So you have a priority of number 3 and your group is below the plane. So when it is below the plane, so let us see here in table. So the priority is 3. Okay, you have to look over here and it is below the plane. So it is minus. That means you have to write down opposite. And it is coming R. You have to write down opposite. So it will be S. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And agar ye above the plane hunda, agar methyl ithe above plane hunda, in that case,
Sir, R.
Sir, R.
R.
okay, you have to write down the same. Okay, so let's see the other examples. So write down one question. Assign absolute configuration to all stereoisomers of tartaric acid. You have to assign absolute configuration to all stereoisomers of tartaric acid. What is tartaric acid? ਹਾਂਜੀ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ tartaric acid? What's the formula of tartaric acid?
The COH, 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 COOH.
COH, COH, NaCOH?
Sir, 2 COH group and 4 OH.
What is tartaric acid? बोलो लो 4 कार्बन बनाते हैं बोलो की होएगा tartaric acid? पहले tartaric
Sir,
acid
And the OH,
वाले-
carboxylic acid,
COH, COH का
which OH लगे हुए हैं.
Sir, which OH for एक
This one is tartaric acid. So you have to assign configuration over all chiral carbon. So one stereoisomer will be this one. What will be another stereoisomer? Its mirror image. Total 4 बनेंगे. Third stereoisomer. You can change configuration over either of carbon. And what will be fourth stereoisomer? बोलो fourth stereoisomer की होएगा?
reverse कर देंगे.
It's the mirror image. Now write down the configuration over all chiral carbons. Suppose this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write down the configuration over carbon number 2 and carbon number 3. So in first case, what is it? Bolo.
So second the R,
Second the R. Third
third
the
the S.
third the S. So it is 2R, 3S tartaric acid. How it is 2R, 3S? Why at carbon number 2 it is R?
ਸਰ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਨੰਬਰ 2 ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਐਂਟੀ ਕਲੌਕਵਾਈਜ਼ ਘੁੰਮ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ
Early priority ਕਿਸ
ਉਹ
group ਨੂੰ
ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਸਰ OH ਨੂੰ
OH ਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲੀ
ਫਸਟ
ਹੈ।
ਪ੍ਰਾਇੋਰਟੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ
OH. Second priority?
Carboxylic acid.
A वाला third carbon के carboxylic group वाला carbon.
Carboxylic acid.
group वाला कार्बन
Carboxylic acid.
Third priority?
ਸਰ ਥਰਡ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਨੂੰ
This one is
ਤੇ
4.
ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਫੋਰਥ
So it's 1, 2, 3. It's moving in a anti-clockwise. So it is expected to be S, but lowest priority group is above the plane. So you have to write down opposite. So it is R. And at carbon number 3, again 1, 2, 3. So it's moving clockwise. Lowest
clockwise
above plane. So it is S. So it is 2R, 3S. What should be here?
second S, third R.
S3
Opposite हो गया क्योंकि mirror images ने. So 2S,
Yes, sir.
3R tartaric acid. Here in this case,
तो दोनों S होंगे.
Both R.
दोनों एस में
दोनों S के दोनों R.
R
दोनों
only,
S.
sir.
एक चीज दसो बेटे मैंने दोनों S के दोनों R.
दोनों S.
सर दोनों एस
S नहीं sir,
S
दोनों
S होंगे sir.
S
Both
होंगे।
S होंगे
Here
सर
it will be 2S, 3S tartaric acid, and here will be
2R
R.
3R
3R tartaric acid. Okay. ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਇਆ ਵੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ. Okay, so now let's move to one other example. Suppose you have this molecule. Suppose you have molecule with a 3 chiral carbon. And suppose here you have a carboxylic acid. Here also you have a carboxylic acid, hydrogen, OH, hydrogen, OH, and OH, hydrogen. First of all, tell me whether this compound is optically active or inactive.
Inactive.
हाँ जी.
Sir, inactive है.
Why it is inactive?
Meso compound है.
It's a meso compound because of plane of symmetry. Here you have a plane of symmetry. If you put this carbon in plane, okay, it have a plane of symmetry. So this compound is a meso compound, optically inactive. What is the configuration over this carbon and finally over this carbon? So suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Jaldi nal dasso what is configuration at carbon number 2?
R.
Sir, R.
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 Now tell me at carbon number 4.
S.
Sir, S.
S. Now tell me for carbon number 3.
So it is not chiral. Chiral नहीं है.
Sir,
नहीं.
Chiral.
दोनों सेम ग्रुप लगे हुए हैं.
हाँ जी.
Sir, same group लगे ने chiral carbon.
Chiral नहीं है सर ये.
Chiral नहीं है.
नहीं है बट अगर सेम ग्रुप ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਨਫੀਗਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਤਾਂ ਅਲੱਗ ਹੈ. ਇੱਥੇ R ਕਨਫੀਗਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੇ S ਕਨਫੀਗਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ. How you can say they are same? They have a different configuration.
Sir, फिर R नो priority ज़्यादा देने हैं S नाल.
हाँ जी.
Sir, फिर R
You have a
configuration.
situation. Here you have a situation. You have this carbon, and to this carbon, two different groups are attached. Say it is A, B. Okay, two different groups are attached, A and B, and then you have a two groups with different configurations are attached. That means they are like C plus C minus. ठीक है ना? Or you can say here you have two enantiomeric ligands. Enantiomers ही हो गए ना? They have opposite configuration over here. ठीक है, one is R, another is S. Now what about this carbon number 3? So here case comes when two groups of opposite configuration are attached with carbon. When two groups of opposite configuration are attached with carbon. Now what you will call that carbon? A chiral or chiral? बोलो. Or symmetric or asymmetric?
Sir, chiral होएगा.
Achiral होएगा. This kind of carbon is a achiral carbon and it is also known as pseudo-asymmetric carbon. It is also known as pseudo-asymmetric carbon. It's also known as pseudo-asymmetric carbon. And when you have pseudo-asymmetric carbon, in that case, of course, it is achiral. In that case, you assign absolute configuration by using words small r and small s. To pseudo-asymmetric carbon, you can assign absolute configuration by using small r and small s. And while assigning configuration to pseudo-asymmetric carbon, S group or S ligand is given preference over ligand with R configuration or group with R configuration. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is a configuration over the pseudo-asymmetric carbon? R, small r or small s?
So small s.
Small s.
No, sir.
This will be 1. S will be given preference
R
Small
हो
r.
जाएगा sir. R हो जाएगा.
Small r.
3.
Small
So
r.
it's moving in a clockwise. Lowest priority group is above plane, so it is small r. So this point is clear to all of you. What is pseudo-asymmetric?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, आप R ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ priority ਦਿੰਦੇ ਇਸ ਨਾਲ।
हाँ जी बेटे.
Sir, R नहीं ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ priority वाला group इस case में।
नहीं बेटे S. ठीक है, S gets higher priority. ठीक है बेटे. चलो, so let us move to one or two more examples and then we will start with the compounds with one chiral carbons. Okay, suppose you have this fish sawhorse projection. And number of examples are given in book, so you can try more questions from there also. Now, what's the configuration over this carbon? Which group will get first priority?
OH.
OH,
Second,
सर इधर वाला
जिस ਨਾਲ नाइट्रोजन अटैच है कार्बन।
So जिथे नाइट्रोजन डाइच कार्बन के वाला.
ठीक है ना? Here you have phenyl, now in phenyl you all have carbons. Here you have a carbon and then nitrogen. So number 2, number 3, number 4. It is moving in a clockwise. ठीक है ना? And lowest priority group is already below the plane, so it will be R. And here number 1,
NH2.
NH2. Number 2, whole group.
सर जिथे हाइड्रोक्सिल. हाँ ये वाला.
Number 3, methyl.
Number 3.
Or hydrogen. So here you can see 1, 2, 3. It is moving like this again clockwise. Now what you will do? You will write it R or S. So again you will look over that matrix जो मैं थोड़ा दस्सी सी. Plus minus plus minus minus plus minus plus. Now your group whose configuration is given is getting number 1 and it is below the plane. So it's number 1 and it is below the plane. So you will write same or opposite?
Opposite.
Opposite. So it is will be S over here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have to try more questions by yourself. Okay, let's take one last question. Now, what about this one? Is it R or S?
S.
Sir S.
हाँ जी. Why it is S? First priority will be given to which group?
OH.
OH,
OH. Second priority?
So CHOMe2 ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਨੀਚੇ ਵਾਲਾ
Out of these two, which will one will get second priority? So here you have a C and here you have this one. Here you have a C double bond OH, which is equivalent considering ghost atoms.
ਗੋਸਟ ਐਟਮ
It is this one, and if you take this one, it is this one. Now, which will get second priority?
नीचे वाला वर्टिकल है नीचे वाला
नीचे वाला
Why?
ਦੋ ਆਕਸੀਜਨ ਇਕੁਇਵਲੈਂਟ ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੈਕਸਟ ਐਟਮਸ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਅਗਲਾ ਮਿਥਾਈਲ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਜਨ ਹੈ ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ CH ਨੀਚੇ ਵਾਲਾ ਹੋਣਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ
So we have oxygen, hydrogen, oxygen. Here you have a hydrogen, oxygen. So carbon, there is a tie. Hydrogen का compare ਆਪਾਂ करना ही नहीं. Here you have oxygen. So you will look over next atom. Here atom is ghost oxygen. Here you have actual oxygen. So out of ghost oxygen and actual oxygen, which will get higher preference?
actual oxygen
Actual atom, it will get higher preference as compared to ghost atom. Okay, so second, third, moving clockwise, hydrogen above the plane, fourth group, so it is S. Is it clear?
yes sir
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's start with our next topic, which are compounds with one chiral center. Compounds with one chiral center. And compounds, those are having one chiral center, they will be called compounds. जिन्हें call सिर्फ एक chiral carbon है, chiral center है, they will be called, बोलो,
optically active.
enantiomers. They are definitely enantiomers. So what are enantiomers? How you define them? Jaldi naal, we have less than 5 minutes. What are enantiomers? These are stereoisomers.
Stereoisomers with mirror images which are non-superimposable.
Which are having mirror image relationship. So they have a non-superimposable mirror images of each other that are called enantiomers. So enantiomers are non-superimposable mirror images of each other that rotate plane polarized light up to equal extent but in
Opposite directions.
opposite directions. So what are enantiomers? Enantiomers are stereoisomers which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. So basically they have a mirror image relationship and they rotate plane polarized light equal in but opposite directions. For example, give me some simple examples like lactic acid, So what is lactic acid? CH3, CH, OH, COH, and its mirror image. So both are enantiomers. They are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. And for a non-superimposable mirror images, this carbon, it must be chiral. That means 4 different groups are attached if it is tetrahedral. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Properties
sir.
of these enantiomers. What are properties of these enantiomers? Key properties ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ.
They have identical physical properties.
Yes, they have identical physical properties. And since they have identical physical properties, we will discuss in detail tomorrow. And tomorrow I will also take your practical lab